slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? HypesKick back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at a pair of the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners, or Yeezy Boost 700s in the magnet colorway, I believe, which was released recently. If not, it's going to be released soon. So let's take a look. Not going to take too long in this video, but yeah guys, let's take a look. This are actually a pair for one of my boys girls. So he decided to get this pair for his girl, and got it through me, of course, locally. I don't sell anything, disclaimer. If you guys are new to the channel, these are a UA pair of shoes like the other reviews I do. So with all that being said, all that aside, these came in about a week, and yeah, perfectly boxed, shipped, all that. You can see the condition of the box itself, perfect. It was double boxed, all that, so you already know it's good. So let's get into it. First of all, let's just take a look. This is a website. Sorry, I got the fan running beside me, so bear with me. There's a website. These are from HypesKick.com. Instagram is @HypesKick, and WhatsApp is +86 1818 6643705. So that's all the methods to contact them on. Let's put that there. But yeah guys, let's take a look at these. Again, I'm not going to take too long on these. They're just a new colorway of a shoe we've already seen many times. They aren't the V2 700s, they're just the V1s. So yeah, box, typical box, just a 700 on the top. Oh, man. Just open it a bit so you guys can see. These didn't come with the StockX thing, so it's one thing to keep in mind. I'm sure you can ask for it if you want, like the StockX tag and paperwork. But there's the paperwork in there, or there's the paper in there as well. It says 700 on the top, Boost on the side. There is a size tag as well, US 5, which is 6.5 women's, magnet, Yeezy Boost 700, EPC inside. So there's all that. You guys take a quick look. Just got the Adidas logo on the bottom, nothing else. So yeah. That's all there is to the box. Now let's take a look at the shoes. Am I a fan of these? I would say yeah, like it's pretty clean colorway. It's not steering too far from the original 700s. It's kind of just making those different colors more gray tones. So here is the shoe. You can see where the 3M is. That's pretty neat. Actually, it looks like that little portion is like 3M or glitter. I don't know. It's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Like the lining of the suede. So this is all suede or nubuck. Then of course you do have the netting here, which is pretty sweet. It's kind of like super fine netting. It's not spread out. Open netting. So we get, of course, suede on the front. Get the 3M panels right there, 3M on those little orange things, 3M on the back. So lots of 3M on the shoe, of course. Bottom of the shoe, that's how it's looking. Got that nice soft boost. Got the gum sole on the bottom as well, so that's a pretty clean look. Adidas. So I did get two pairs of these, by the way. So another review will be up soon enough. I definitely gotta get a towel for the other one because I'm sweating buckets here right now. So but yeah, you can see the 3M here. The one thing that I do notice about these is the mesh is so fine that you actually can't see the 3 stripes that would be here normally, 3M underneath the mesh, because the other mesh is a little bit more open. So that's definitely a new thing they added onto these that weren't in the original Wave Runners. The inside is just like a cream color. You got the Adidas Yeezy. The laces are they're close to being black. They're not quite black, but they're close to being black. They're more like super dark gray. I know it's hard to tell in the video. You got the 3M hits on the lace holders as well. Got Yeezy on the inside, and then the size tag also. You got the RFID here with the the size tag, the EPC RFID with the little chip inside, and then you do have, of course, typical stuff that comes with like all Yeezys. On this side, you got the same deal. You can see the stitching is impeccable, like it's on point all throughout the shoe, so that's pretty sweet. Just the quality is really, really good. So that's the right shoe. Left one, of course, looks the same as with most pairs of shoes. They should look identical for the most part. Not too much glue stainage happening. A little bit, but that does happen on retails, believe it or not. For y'all non-believers, go into your nearest Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, and you can see for yourself on some of the shoes they got sitting on those shelves. The quality is horrendous on some, so, and they still somehow pass QC, so says enough. Not condoning you guys buying any of this stuff, but you guys do what you want with your money, like me and the boys do with ours. So yeah guys, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, I know this isn't a super in-depth video, it's not a shoe we haven't seen before. Just let me know your thoughts on it, of course, in the comment section down below. Is this a colorway you're looking forward to? Did you already cop it? Let me know for sure. Comment section down below, boys. These are from HypesKick, like I said. They are women's, so these ones are women's sizing. Well, these are size 5 men's, which is women's 6.5. They are for a girl. But yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Comment section down below. If you're new to your channel and like what you see, subscribe, or don't, I don't know. Do what you want. Like the video, show some love that way. Turn on notifications, and last but not least, don't forget to follow the Instagram. Link will be in the description. With all that being said, guys, stay blessed. I'm gonna talk to y'all in the next video. Peace.